Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting the PDFs you want searchable and opening them in your chosen OCR tool. Make sure the scans are at least 300 dpi and the correct language pack is selected. This improves accuracy. Once done, split any ultra-large files into smaller batches to avoid timeouts and set output to a searchable PDF layer instead of plain text. You're beginning the process now, so confirm settings like DESQ, DESPECL, and recognition language before moving forward. Now run OCR on a representative file and watch the results to learn how your settings behave. Use batch mode for many documents, but process one sample first so you can tweak zoning, column detection, and table handling. This ensures text flows correctly. Make sure the engine performs language-specific processing and preserves fonts where possible. Once a sample looks correct, apply the same profile to the remaining files and export a searchable PDF while keeping a plain text extract for finish by spot-checking several pages. Search for key terms, try selecting and copying text to verify character accuracy, and confirm table structure. Then optimize file size with sensible compression settings while keeping a master copy of the originals. If you encounter systematic errors, garbled characters, missing lines, or wrong language, rerun OCR with a different engine or increase DPI to 400 and apply stronger image cleanup like DESPECL and contrast adjustment. One key tip: if layout breaks, toggle zoning/manual region selection to fix extraction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.